Welcome back. Well, another hot one today, 97 degrees. That makes 24 of the last 25 degrees, better than 95 degrees on any given day going back through July. So another stretch of hot summer days so far this summer, 40, 95 degree days. Last summer, though, we had 80, but we still have plenty of summer left. So let's take a look at the month here. And so far, every day this month has been above normal. And the coolest day was 94 degrees back on Monday earlier this week, and you can see we've been in the mid to upper 90s, hitting 100 on a couple of days, 101 Sunday. So far, that's been the hottest temperature this summer. Hopefully just mid 90s in our future, no 100 degrees, but we'll have to wait and see. That big hot ridge of high pressure is back toward Texas this year, and that's where the big heat is right now and has been most of the summer. Then we have this upper level trough, and we'll point out this upper level low because this is going to be pushing down into the Gulf of Mexico and drifting westward as we head into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, and that should bring some tropical moisture with it, and with that give us a chance of rain for at least the afternoon hours. Just hot and dry across the area. That hasn't changed, and the drought index starting to pick up. We're starting to dry out, and it's drying out fast. It's changed pretty much so since last week with that area of yellow, drier than normal. We're running about 5 or 6 inches below normal going back through the mid part of July. So here we go with the ground getting hot and dry, and with that we've had local fires in the region. So this is the picture I took earlier today where the skies are kind of hazy out there, and that's all smoke from regional fires, and we have very light winds aloft with that high pressure system, and that smoke sticks around through tomorrow. Notice it'll be worse up toward maybe Shreveport, the northern part of the state, and then by Saturday we start getting more of an easterly flow. That upper level low that I spoke about is going to be moving in, so that should mix things up and help to clear out our skies and get some of that pure Gulf of Mexico air. But look at the fires worldwide. You can see down toward Brazil and Central America, Southern America, where the fires are burning. That slash and burn and climate change going on there. Much the same over by Africa, and you see the fires across portions of Europe, and then usually Southeast China has problems as well. Not as bad in that part of the hemisphere compared to what we see Africa and over toward South America. Meanwhile, tropics-wise, getting busier in the tropics. We have a hurricane. This is Tropical Storm Hona. This is going to go south of Hawaii, probably as a tropical storm, but nice waves for the surfers out there. And another system that's about to develop, that's going to be Hector. Meanwhile, as we get into the Atlantic basin, all is quiet here, so that is certainly good news. We see a pretty big wave way deep into Africa, but that'll be about 4 or 5 days before it even gets off the coast, so no major issues. Dry air overhead, so rain chances staying low, but by Sunday that moisture begins to build, and then as we head into next week we see a lot more moisture building into the Gulf of Mexico and the northwestern Caribbean. Nothing organized, but it does translate to a better chance of afternoon storms. Just an isolated sprinkle possible tomorrow. We'll go with rain chance at 5 to 10%, mid 90s again. Saturday hot and dry, and there's that upper level low. You can see it moving westward, so by late Sunday afternoon we should see a few more afternoon showers and storms. 77 the low tonight, so not as cool as the last 2 nights, but still not too bad. Humidity creeping up, though, and much the same for tomorrow. We'll go 96 to 97 the high. A little bit more of an easterly breeze in the afternoon, so maybe not quite as hot as it was today. And as we matriculate through the 10-day forecast, lots of mid-90s, but at least we'll add the chance of scattered afternoon storms. Nothing that's going to help with the dry grounds, but at least it's a start. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up a little later on in the show.